Meaning of footpath.
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 Footpath. A footpath is a designated path for pedestrians to walk on, separate from the road for vehicles. It is typically narrower than a sidewalk and found in natural settings such as parks, forests, and rural areas. Footpaths may be marked or unmarked and can range from rugged trails to well-maintained walkways. They provide a safe and enjoyable way for people to experience nature while also promoting exercise and reducing traffic congestion. Overall, footpaths are an important part of pedestrian infrastructure and contribute to a healthier and more sustainable environment.